It seems shop mechanics are as slow as this turtle. So coming up on Truckin' It, we're going to be talking about what to do if your light gets knocked off. Friends and followers, welcome back to my channel, and greetings from home. I hope y'all are doing well out there. It's Monday morning. Time for a new episode of Truckin' It. And I want to talk with y'all right now about what to do if you're at a truck yard or someone brings a trailer to you and it's got damage on it that's causing an electrical malfunction. This should be a sound piece of advice for any trucker who does this. So, stay tuned and I'll give you my advice. Okay, so there's two situations where I'm going to talk about here. One of which is if you're at your truck yard, and the other one is if someone's relaying a trailer to you. If you're at your truck yard and you discover a trailer that's got accidental damage on it, such as marker lights knocked off or lights not working, new dents, etc., you need to report them to your maintenance department and get instructions on where to take it. Number two, if someone's bringing you a trailer and it's got pre-existing accidental damage on it and the lights are malfunctioning, don't do what the buddy who brought the trailers did. If the buddy says, "Oh, it can be fixed with a computer reset," assume that's not the case. Here's why. Let's say he brings you those trailers, they've got malfunctioning lights, and you get through with your relay, suddenly DOT pulls into the truck stop parking lot. Now they've got grounds to give you a level 1 inspection to not only determine the cause of why the lights are malfunctioning, but why you haven't gotten them fixed. So, DOTs do that. They will enter private property without permission and inspect trucks here. That's just a fact of life. Or if you pull out of the parking lot, they'll pull you onto the shoulder. Same thing. Because once you take possession of those trailers, you're taking responsibility for all the maintenance that needs to be done. And there are some times in which you need to make an exception to your usual plans when those lights are failing and when the electrical system is having issues. What you need to do in that case is you need to call your company and ask them what you need to do. Because if the lights are malfunctioning and there's accidental damage on the trailer, chances are someone caused it. Especially if it's an LED marker light and it's got wiring issues. Because you see, the lights have changed over the past couple years. Back in the day, when we had bulbs, they had a reflector element that actually provided a bit of a cushion when they got knocked off and protected the wiring. These newer LEDs don't do that because they are extremely flush to the body. So the moment they get hit and knocked off, they short out. And therefore can arc against your side of your trailer, or they can have the insulation melt and cause electrical problems with your tractor, etc. So do not operate a trailer that has malfunctioning lights until you know the cause. And once you troubleshoot the problem, then you need to contact your maintenance in order to arrange for a shop visit where they can take care of the problem and do the necessary repairs. And if it's a container chassis, some companies will actually give you a kit and teach you how to repair the problem yourself. But Oftentimes, those lights are riveted in, and they don't give you a rivet set. Or the punch to put the rivets in. And therefore, that would also result in a call to a maintenance shop. And one last thing, if you own your own trailer and do your own maintenance, it's very important that you learn how to do it right. I see a lot of these owner-operators on the road with flickering lights and other electrical problems with these older trailers in particular that have not been properly repaired because they don't want to spend the money. And when that happens and the DOT sees them, just like I've been saying before, they pull them onto the side of the road, they give them a level 1 inspection, and they give them some tickets while they're at it. And by tickets, I mean badges of dishonor. So don't risk a badge of dishonor. Get your lights fixed. Because it's not only for you to avoid the DOT giving you a really nasty encounter, but it's also so that you can stay safe by avoiding being rear-ended. I'm Trucker Zach Bell. This is Truckin' It. Keep your lights working, and until next time, let's make your best trip your next trip. Keep learning, keep thinking, keep on trucking. And one last thing. If you need a tote bag to carry some of those extra lights around in, I've made some just for you. Check out truckerzachsfanshop.com, where you can get t-shirts, tote bags, and tumblers, and I can give you a 10% discount when you use the promo code ZACH10. Bye for now, and I'll catch you on the next episode.